Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this week we are going to try another style. I'm working on clean hair. It's already detangled. Now I want to make 3 partitions. Let me begin with the front. I just want to cut out 3 parts of the hair like this. Okay, I'm going to try as much as I can to get perfect lines but if they don't come out perfectly, that's okay. That's the beauty of creativity. Most times it's not always a straight line. So let's see. For the front part, I take that, and at this point I want to take this opportunity to thank all the people who have gone ahead to watch our videos, our previous videos, who have commented, who have shared them. My friends, thank you very much for that support. It's really appreciated. And please continue watching. Please continue subscribing for all those who have not yet subscribed. That's big enough support for us. Okay. And all sections I'll just divide and put it away. After that, now Now I'm going to apply gel. I'll use the Cantu styling gel. And I'll use a generous amount. Okay, so our hair is dry. The gel has dried out, and I had to make plaits for all the three sections. So, because my hair is a bit long, so I had to put it down. But if your hair is shorter, then you could just leave it. You don't have to make the small plaits that I made. I'm going to use Marley hair. I sectioned it into different sizes, and this is what I want to do. So my friends, this is our look for today. Try it out. So yeah, that was how simple it was to achieve. That's the beauty of having natural hair. You can do so many things with it. Now the creativity is endless. So I'm really glad you came by to watch our video for this week. For all those who have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to our channel so you can get so many other ideas on how to style your natural hair. For all those who have already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. We really appreciate it. And I hope you loved the video like I did. Until next week, cheers.